Creativity is the key aspect of fashion industry. Everybody knows that. And yet, I see a lot of people who create new styles collecting people's opinion on open social platforms. And I wonder, is that creativity for a long-term sustained creative ideas? Hi, my name is Rakesh Kakkad, and with over 40 years of hands-on experience in the garment industry, I help startups and fashion brands save money and time. Today I am going to look at what does it take to be creative that is long-term and gives you a sustained business. Interesting, isn't it? That the business and creativity are interrelated. Because if you are doing creativity and your creativity is not available to people at large so that they can enjoy it, relish it and love it, then what's the point of creating? Are you creating only for something like hanging on a wall? If not, then before you start your creativity, you got to do some background work. Now, what kind of background work I am talking about? That background work is you creating a specific niche for yourself. Now, what do I mean by that? Do you know or do you set up that who are going to be your target clients? What age group, what gender, what kind of spending facility they have, their economic background, their demography, what kind of competition is already there in the market, what are people already selling for those kind of clients. Do you do that research so that when you do your launch, and I am not talking about just the first launch, I'm talking about launch after launch after launch after launch, be it seasonal or be it repetitive, until and unless you are clear about the niche for yourself and your brand in the market, your creativity may be just a random thought. But when you're clear about the niche, and you start to create your designs, you will get into details that what kind of fabric will be comfortable for those people. Is that fabric going to be durable? Is the style they are going to love when they wear it? Are they going to pick it up from the stands or on the website and really enjoy when the garment reaches their hands? Or are they going to look at the fabric and say, it's not worth it, let me return? See, all those thinking will go only when you have done the background work, number one. Number two, created a niche for yourself, knowing fully well that you are going to be in the market for long term. Not just one haul. One haul thing, normally I have seen 70 to 80% people shut down in the first year itself. Why? Number one, they have no clarity. They just make up something. They just put together some inventory and then they are trying to sell it, and their future launches and every other work begins to get hold up because there is no marketing strategy, and marketing strategy can only be once you are clear that who are your target client and what is it that is going to make you special in that market, how your products are different from what is already stuffed in the market. See, all those thinking can take place only when you are clear about the niche that you are planning to serve. Now, do you think when you do the background work and then create after that, that's going to give you long-term sustenance for your business? Are you willing to look at that? If you want to work much deeper on this, I work with people one-on-one for mentorship. You can get in communication with me at the given email, and we can look at what are your challenges or what is the future that you are looking for, and develop you and your success in that direction. That's all for this video. See you in the next video.